In this video I will show you how to install WinRAR in your PC or laptop. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, you have to subscribe to our channel and like the video and leave a comment for next video. So, go to your destination location where WinRAR setup is downloaded. Right, click on WinRAR file. Click Run as administrator. After giving the permission, this page will be opened. Select the destination folder where you want to install WinRAR and then click on Install button. When the installation is complete, click on OK. And then done. Now your WinRAR is installed in your PC.